Nc'wala traditional ceremony, a brief formal overview. The Nc'wala is a significant cultural ceremony of the Ngoni people, primarily observed in eastern Zambia. Rooted in indigenous customs and social cohesion, the ceremony functions both as a ritual of thanksgiving and as a reaffirmation of communal identity under the authority of the paramount chief. Historically timed to coincide with the harvest season, Nc'wala celebrates the first fruits and offers gratitude for agricultural abundance, thereby linking spiritual observance with the community's economic life. Central to Nc'wala are ritualized proceedings conducted by the senior traditional leader, who performs libations and symbolic acts that invoke ancestral blessings and communal well-being. These rites are complemented by traditional music, dance, and regalia, which embody the Ngoni's historical narratives and values. The ceremony also provides a forum for the transmission of customary law and social norms. Elders instruct younger generations, disputes are addressed, and alliances are reinforced. In this manner, Nc'wala sustains intergenerational continuity and affirms the social fabric of the community. Beyond its internal functions, Nc'wala serves as a public expression of cultural resilience. It attracts attendees from diverse regions, fostering intercultural exchange and contributing to local identity politics. While contemporary influences, including modernization, religious pluralism, and economic change, have introduced adaptations, the ceremony's core symbolism and communal purposes remain intact. Nc'wala thus endures as a living tradition that harmonizes spiritual observance, social governance, and cultural affirmation within the Ngoni community.